Do you want to get more views with your next video uploads? Please do watch this video because I'm going to give you 4 tips to make it happen. Hey guys, this is Janice B and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, if you haven't done already, please consider to subscribe and press the notification bell so you'll be updated with my next video. Thumbnail is very important in every video upload because this will encourage your viewers to play your videos. So before uploading your next video thumbnail, please do consider these 4 tips that I'm going to give you. Number 1, it needs to represent the entire video. So you have to make sure that you will remember this saying, don't judge the book by its cover, because it's very important that your thumbnail will represent the shortest version of your video. Number 2, it needs to be very appealing to your audience. So you have to make sure that you have selected the correct image, the correct font, the correct colors in order for your thumbnail to be very appealing to the audience. Number 3, please to consider to put a human face in your thumbnail in order for you to build a connection. So the correct image is very important in your thumbnail. Number 4, please to consider to brand your thumbnail in order for your viewers to can easily identify that this thumbnail belongs to you, just a little bit of identity or familiarity with your audience. And it is very important that you will consider to make a thumbnail a uniform thumbnail in all your uploads. So there you go guys, just 4 tips to make an effective thumbnail. So if you want me to do more of YouTube tips and tutorials, please do comment down below and I'll try my best to do it in my next one. This is Janice B and I'll see you in my next video.